All right, here we go. Good luck. Sports card 7777, Matt. Buena suerte. I'll take a picture of that right now. With some 2014 Classics baseball. Empty, empty. Thank you very much, sir. Good luck. Jeez. Alright. Here we go. Ah, right there, right off the top. We got 20 of 99, Miguel Cabrera. Bat relic. Repack with the Miguel Cabrera Bat Rally card. Insert. That one opened it a lot easier. Classic triples. 98 of 99. Willie Stargell, Bill Mazeroski, and Roberto Clemente. 98 of 99. Triple bat relics. Very nice. Is it that bad, really? I'm not even watching it. Melot. I only have one rookie in that pack. Oh, you guys are so sweet. So I love you guys. Dummy card. Yeah, that's the one I want to see. Arlovsky. And then the main one. Oh, swung stack for this. I watch the ceiling. You watch the ceiling instead of... How do you watch the ceiling? Jackson. There you go. You guys can watch that too while you're at it. We got Byron Buxton, 64 of 299. Significant signatures. Very nice. State of Hockey's been waiting all night for that. Dummy. No numbered inserts yet. Boog Powell, 122 of 299. Significant signatures. That's the third auto, or second auto, fourth hit. We got booged. Use less glue? Yeah. Because I sure want to give up a Byron Buxton autograph and a triple of Roberto Clemente. Why not? David Hale. Timeless Tributes rookie. 136 of 149. Boogaloo. Harmon Killebrew. Timeless Tributes. 117 of 149. Dummy. Dummy. No. No way. Now I get it when you meant Irving card. I understand now. There's your answer. FNZR2 card. Alright, last pack coming up. Definitely not. It's to your disadvantage when you have both of them. Another FNZR2 card. And another one rookie card. Alright, just to recap it real quick. Harmon Killebrew, 117 of 149. David Hale, 136 of 149. Boog Powell, 122 of 299. Byron Buxton, 64 of 299. Jersey auto. Our triple bat relic was Willie Stargell, Bill Mazeroski, and Roberto Clemente. And the last one is Miguel Cabrera, 20 of 99. Come on, focus on Miggy. There you go. 20 of 99, Stars of Summer. Thank you, Matt.